If you want to crop an image to 8 by 10 in Lightroom, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to do it on Lightroom Desktop, even if you've never used the crop tool before. And just so you know, Lightroom doesn't usually ask for exact print sizes like 8 by 10. Instead, it works with aspect ratios, so the key here is choosing the correct ratio. If this video helps, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple Lightroom tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open the photo you want to crop in Lightroom Desktop. Once your image is loaded, look over to the right panel and click the Crop tool. This opens up the crop controls so you can start resizing your image. Next, find the aspect ratio option and click it. You'll see a list of preset ratios, and the one you want is 4 by 5. That's because 8 by 10 and 4 by 5 are the same ratio, just different physical sizes. So if you choose 4 by 5, you're effectively cropping your photo for an 8 by 10 print. Now adjust the crop by dragging the corners until your subject is framed the way you want. You can also move the image around inside the crop box to position it perfectly. Take a moment to make sure nothing important gets cut off, especially near the edges. If you need to switch between portrait and landscape, just press X on your keyboard. That will flip the crop from 8 by 10 to 10 by 8 and back again. Once everything looks good, press Enter to apply the crop. And that's it. Your photo is now cropped to the 8 by 10 ratio in Lightroom. It's a simple process once you know that Lightroom uses aspect ratios instead of exact dimensions. If this tutorial saved you time, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more Lightroom editing tips in the next tutorial.